November of '09. Got a phone call from Asa letting me know that he had hooked up a hog hunt in Jefferson, Texas, with Busy Bee Ranch. Me and Scott loaded up the truck January the 6th and headed to Jefferson, Texas. War point.
Oh yeah. Looks like we got the place to ourselves. Hey, that and smiling for the camera.
Morning, sunshine.
Shoot middle right, I am. I got the bows out, shot them 4 or 5 times a piece, make sure they were still in line inside.
Morning, welcome to Ozark Outdoor. Morning, welcome to Ozark Outdoor Adventures. I'm Scott Kernodle.
Jason Henson.
We're here on the Busy Bee Ranch, located in Jefferson, Texas.
Jefferson, Texas.
We're gonna try to do a little hog hunting this morning. We're riding around with JD, the owner of Busy Bee Ranch. JD, tell us a little bit about what you got going on here, what you have to offer here.
Well, we're pretty much in the hunting business, and out we've got cabins on private lakes that people come down and fish, hang around, kind of enjoy nature, kind of scenic. Bouncy truck. And we've got 3 hunting preserves. One of them is hog hunting. That's archery only. We've got a exotic preserve, which is about 200 acres. It's got everything from wildebeest to buffaloes to orcs to elk. We've got a whitetail preserve that's about 1,000 acres. It's extremely highly managed. It's got whitetails galore. We have a breeding facility that the breeding facility is what we use to improve our genetics in our hunting preserve. So we're introducing new genetics into our native deer, and that's all about trying to find that magical 200-inch buck. We have management hunts, which are bucks that range up to 140 inches, 8 points, and then we go to the hopefully the top end, which is 190 to 200-inch bucks. We have a probably, I don't know, 98% success rate. We don't book a lot of hunts. We know pretty much in the fall exactly what we've got to take out, and we work on taking them out, and we leave the younger bucks to reach maturity.
had two stands pretty close together. And Scott actually pulled his phone out and was looking at the weather that was coming in. And the next day was expected to be thunderstorms, and it was supposed to be severe weather. And we just decided that we were going to have to try to make it happen that night. We had 2 hogs, and that we was needing to kill, and hadn't harvested one yet. So we've got 45 minutes left of daylight to harvest 2 hogs, and we've been trying for 8 hours, 7-8 hours to get one.
Jason's trying to run the camera, trying to shoot a hog, and this is why I say that we don't do everything perfect. With the weather moving in, we had to get our animals killed because the next day wasn't going to offer us the opportunity. So a hog turns broadside, and Jason shoots it, makes a decent shot. It wasn't a perfect shot, but it got the job done. Folks, we're down here. Folks, we're down here on BCB Ranch, Jefferson, Texas. JD and Jason. Dogs out here this morning. We spotting stuff all day. We got about an hour left to light, so we thought we'd come sit in the stand. You got up in the stand, what, 20 minutes?
Well, guys, we're heading out to Busy Bee Ranch. Been here for 2 days. Been just an absolute blast down here in Jefferson, Texas. We had JD and Jason, the owners of the ranch, show us around and just wait on us hand and foot, took us out for breakfast, dropped us off to stand every morning. Seen, how many hogs you think we've seen over 2 days? It's been absolutely amazing.
More than a ton.
It's just been the most fun I've had in a long, long time. Yeah. Very successful hunt. Me and Scott both got 2 hogs, about 85 pounds a piece. Just a blast. So
if you're looking for a quick getaway, short getaway, come to Busy Bee Ranch, Jefferson, Texas. Get a hold of JD and Jason. You won't regret it. It's been a privilege meeting them.
Yep. And, I mean, you won't get treated better. I mean, my family treats me worse than they did. So.
Anyhow, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you, guys.
You know, to the normal eye, that looks like a normal pine tree. But when you zoom in, those ain't branches, folks. Them's arrows.